how do I edit image in Canva? So first go to Canva and then just open up your design. For example, this is my design here and I want to edit this image. So first is you can just click on the image itself. Let's click on it and then click on edit here at the top. Now here you can see all of the options here that you can use to edit your image. You can see the effects, the apps you can use to edit this, and then you can also see the filters here as well, and then the Magic Studio on Canva. Okay, so if you want to change the effects or let's say the tone of this image, you can just click on do tone here, and then as you can see there's a lot of things here that you can use. So I'm going to change this to this one here, as you can see, and then let's say I'm going to change it back, and then let's try another one. Let's say vectorizer here, click on it, click on open. Okay, and then click on start tracer. Now as you can see, you can just click on add to design, and then you'll see what it would look like here. You can see the changes for a bit. See? Then if you like this better, you can just click on this one, click on delete. Then now you can use this image instead of the other one. And then if you want to edit this as well, click on edit again. And then you can just click on the filters here. Let's use the filters, and then let's say I'm going to use the latte here. And then, yep, there you go. Now you can see as you can see, Canva has multiple options here you can use to edit your photo. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.